Today we have a very important topic for discussion, that is the neonatal resuscitation. There is almost always a question in the theory as well as in your practical about neonatal resuscitation. Because let us say any of your relative goes for delivery and you are accompanying her, what you will expect? You will expect that the doctor hands over a perfectly normal baby in your hands. So that is why all these steps, they should be meticulously performed. So what is the golden minute? Golden minute is the first 60 seconds. Very important change takes place in the body, human body. You know what change takes place? Anyone? When the child is in the womb, the oxygenated blood is going from the umbilical arteries, and this is directly going into the heart from right to left heart, and then same oxygenated blood is supplied to the body of the fetus. Is it clear? जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड मदर से होके मिल रहा है वही बच्चे को सारी बॉडी में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जा रहा है. बट एज सुन एज द बर्थ टेक्स प्लेस, द लंग्स ऑफ द बेबी हैज़ टू स्टार्ट फंक्शनिंग. Then blood of the baby will be going from right heart to the lungs of the baby. Initially the lungs, they were collapsed, filled with fluid. Now they start dilating and alveoli, they start functioning. So the blood from right heart starts going to the lungs of the baby, and oxygenation starts taking place in the lungs. Now this oxygenated blood will be going to the left heart, and this oxygenated blood will be pumped into the whole of the body. So this is a very, very important anatomical physiological change that takes place in the newborn. So that is why this change should take place in the first 60 seconds itself, just 1 minute. So that is why this 1 minute is called the golden minute, right? So these are the three things which are very important. First is the respiration, color and heart. Depending on this, you will be proceeding forward in the neonatal resuscitation. Because the seconds matter in neonatal resuscitation, so you have to take only 30 seconds to what you will be doing. You will be evaluating the child, then making a decision, and then taking the action. What is appropriate action for this child? So these are crucial steps. First is, you can remember by this mnemonic TABCD. T stands for temperature. How will you maintain the temperature? First is, you will make the radiant warmer on, and you will keep the temperature around 25 to 28. During the winter, you will have to make it on some time before the delivery. Then immediately after birth, what you will do? You will dry the child, newborn baby. How will you dry? The linen with which you will be drying, it should also be pre-warm. How will you do it? How will you make the linen warm? Anyone? I have told you in the last lecture also, this can be done by placing the linen few minutes before the delivery under the radiant warmer. Radiant warmer के नीचे रख दो वो शीट्स जिसमें आपने बच्चे को रैप करना है, they will become warm. And in the preterm you may need additional warming. How that will be done? That will be possible by making the room more warm. You may need extra heaters. You may also start immediately KMC, kangaroo mother care. As soon as the child is born, the child can be placed on the abdomen and chest of the mother, on the chest of the mother between the breasts, and the direct heat from the mother will be transmitted to the baby. So these are the steps you will be doing for making the temperature warm and keeping the temperature in the requisite limits. Now what you will do, you will look for the airways of the child. First is you will position. It should be slightly extended. What does this mean? The neck should be slightly extended. How will you extend that? You will place a roll of towel, small towel, उसको रोल बना लोगे और बच्चे की shoulders के नीचे रखोगे. If you will keep them under the shoulder, तो automatically जो neck है वो extend हो जाएगी. Then you will do suctioning. If only mild secretion are there, then you can wipe them with a sterile gauze piece, the nose, nasal and the mouth secretion. But if the secretions are more, then you can do suctioning with the suction catheter, with the suction machine. If there is a meconium aspiration, then you will need to do the suctioning of the meconium also, right? So this you will be doing. जो उसके एयरवेज हैं वो पेटेंट रहेंगे तो उसी से उसको ब्रीदिंग होगी. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट ब्रीदिंग? हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट? मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दे स्टार्ट breathing by itself, and if the child doesn't start breathing, then what you will do? You will do tactile stimulation. What does this mean? Tactile stimulation you can do on the back of the child and sole of the foot. बच्चे को पीछे से ऐसे करके आपने रब करना है and या सोल पे ऐसे फ्लिकर कर सकते. It should be gentle. I have seen some staff nurse, she was slapping so hard on the back. It should not be done like that. It should be soft and gentle. The idea is just to stimulate the baby. Sometimes what they do, those who are untrained, they just hold the child upside down. उसके माउथ हेड नीचे कर दिया और उसको लेग से पकड़ लिया ऐसे करके अपसाइड डाउन. दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अलाउड. दिस इज रॉन्ग. यू शुड ओनली डू tactile stimulation, that to 3-4 attempts, not more than that. And you can also give the child oxygen. If oxygen is not available, then positive pressure ventilation can also be done, and using the room air. Bag and mask ventilation may also be needed if breathing has not started. That we will discuss in the algorithm also. For circulation, if circulation has not started, the child's heart is not working, it has not started its function, then you may need to give chest compressions. And secondly, you may need to put the endotracheal tube also. So these two steps are needed to establish the circulation in the newborn. Then the next is the D. D stands for drugs. What are the drugs? First is adrenaline, 1 in 1000, and for use you will keep it diluted in 1 in 10,000. Normal saline 0.9%, sodium bicarbonate 7.5%. When these drugs are needed, when there is bradycardia. Bradycardia means heart rate is below 100 and it is not picking up, वो बढ़ नहीं रहा, कम ही है बच्चे का, और हाइपोवोलेमिक शॉक हो गया बच्चे को, और थर्डली मेटाबॉलिक एसिडोसिस में जा रहा है बच्चा, देन यू विल नीड दीज ड्रग्स. नाउ वी कम टू द बैग एंड मास्क वेंटिलेशन. हाउ इट इज़ डन? You have seen the ambu bag last time, so you will be needing the ambu bag, and it should be already checked so that it is functioning properly. What are the indications when you will give the bag and mask? First is heart rate is less than 100. Heart rate is not picking up, less than 100 ही जा रहा है. एपनिया हो रहा है बच्चे को, बच्चा गास्प कर रहा है, और देयर इज़ परसिस्टेंट साइनोसिस. या तो बच्चा नीला ही चल रहा है, या उसको एपनिया सांस नहीं आ रहा, या गास्पिंग कर रहा है, हार्ट रेट 100 से नीचे है, देन यू विल गिव द बैग एंड मास्क वेंटिलेशन. देयर आर 2 contraindications. You must remember. First is the meconium aspiration. Second is diaphragmatic hernia. If you suspect diaphragmatic hernia, then bag and mask ventilation is contraindicated. What is the procedure? How will you give? First is you will clear the secretion. जो secretions हैं उनको आप clean करेंगे, and make the child's neck slightly extended. You can call it sniffing position also. Sniffing, जो लोग ऐसे ऐसे नाक से कुछ करते हैं ना, कई some people are in the habit of taking some medicine or some medicine for pleasure, they do like this. That is sniffing position. Oxygen reservoir, oxygen cylinder should be ready so that it can attach to the ambu bag. At what rate you will be doing the bag and mask ventilation? At 40 to 60 per minute only. But the pressure should not be too much. If you will be using too much pressure, then what will happen? Sometimes the alveoli of the lungs may get ruptured. Now जब आप ये प्रोसीजर करते रहोगे तो हमने ये देखा था कि you have to evaluate also. How will you evaluate? You will look for the heart rate. After doing this bag and mask ventilation, यदि उसका हार्ट रेट 100 से ऊपर आ गया, कलर पिंक हो गया, हार्ट रेट रेगुलर हो गया, देयर इज़ नो साइनोसिस, देन यू कैन स्टॉप द बैग एंड मास्क वेंटिलेशन. और इफ़ इट डजंट पिक अप, कुछ बच्चों में हो सकता है कि अभी भी हार्ट रेट लेस देन 80 है, नो रेस्पिरेशन और साइनोसिस ही चल रहा है, देन व्हाट you will shift to the evaluation, you will shift to the next step and take the next action. So this is all about in brief about the neonatal resuscitation. If you want to ask, you can ask. Thank you.